The Smart Trailing Stop indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can access this indicator on the TradingView website. Traders can read to understand the indicator's functionality. To access it on TradingView, search its name in the Indicators section. For quicker access, add it to your favorites using Add to Favorite. To access this indicator on the TradingView website, we search for the indicator's name in the Indicators section and select it to apply it to the chart. For quicker and easier access to this indicator, you can add it to your favorites by enabling the Add to Favorite option. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, you can start using it to analyze market trends. For faster and easier access to this indicator, add it to your indicators by activating the Add to Favorites option. By placing the indicator, it draws a price channel showing market trends with bullish trends in green and red. Additionally, the trailing stop indicator displays new stop loss levels. Unlike traditional stop losses, the trailing stop maintains profits by adjusting stop loss levels. This indicator, when combined with other indicators, helps identify trends and adjust stop losses. By displaying new stop loss levels, trailing stop protects traders from their stop losses, unlike traditional stop losses that prevent traders from incurring larger losses. The trailing stop helps traders maintain their profits by moving the stop loss to higher levels or adjusting it to lower levels. This indicator, especially when used with various other indicators, helps traders identify trends and adjust their stop losses to protect their profits. The indicators include Commodity Volume Delta. Using this indicator, if the price is above its moving average, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, if the price is below the moving average, it indicates a bearish trend. Volume dynamic adjusts. Trailing stop based on market volume. During high volume, trailing stop moves closer to price for strong trends. In low volume, it stays distant to avoid early stops. The next indicator is volume dynamic, identifying market strength using volume. It adjusts the trailing stop by the selected market volume. During high volume periods, the trailing stop is moved closer to the price, indicating strong trends. In low volume periods, it maintains a greater distance from the price. The third indicator is the Ichimoku cloud, measuring market fluctuations. In bullish trends, the trailing stop is placed below the recent candle's lowest price. In bearish trends, the trailing stop is placed above the recent candle's highest price to avoid stops. The third indicator is the Ichimoku cloud, used to gauge market changes. In bullish trends, it places the trailing stop below recent lows, adjusted by Ichimoku. In bearish trends, it positions the trailing stop above recent highs to avoid stops. The final indicator, dynamic stop loss, updates the trailing stop to align with price and volume. In high volume and strong trends, it places the trailing stop closer, while in low volume and unstable conditions, it keeps it further to avoid stops. Traders can customize settings under inputs according to their strategies. The last indicator is the dynamic stop loss updates, updating trailing stop with price and volume changes. In high volume and strong trends, trailing stop is closer. In low volume and unstable markets, it is further to avoid stop outs. Settings allow traders to customize inputs for their strategies. First setting is Commodity Volume Delta, based on EMA or default projection mode. Selecting EMA mode averages CVD. It places the trailing stop above the highest price of recent candles. In the settings section, under inputs, traders can customize settings. Commodity Volume Delta can be EMA or default projection mode. EMA mode averages CVD to display trend. Periodic mode calculates market volume. Next, select market, Forex, crypto, stocks, currently on JPY-USD pair. It shows trend or set to periodic mode, which calculates market volume. Next section selects market. Enabling this option gives three categories: Forex, crypto, and stocks. For example, on JPY-USD pair, it selects Forex market. Based on selection, considers 26 brokers and shows trading volumes. For more accurate calculations, enable this option. Next is CVD moving average, default 20. CVD above moving average indicates bullish trend, below shows bearish trend. It selects the Forex market, which takes into account 26 brokers based on your selection, and displays their trading volumes while performing its calculations. To achieve more accurate and better calculations, you can enable this option. The next section is the CVD moving average, which is set to a default value of 20. When the CVD is above this moving average, it indicates a bullish trend, and when it is below this moving average, it shows a bearish trend to the traders. The next section is the volume moving average, which has a period of 100, and traders can change these periods. Level Finder defaults to 10, looking back 10 candles. In bullish trends, it uses the highest low, and in bearish trends, the highest high within these candles. The update interval sets how many candles pass. The ATR multiplier calculates on ATR multiples, adjusting stop loss levels. Disabling it changes stop loss levels. It considers the highest low in bullish trends and identifies the highest high in bearish trends within this number of candles, placing the trailing stop in that area. The next section is for the update interval, which determines how many candles to pass before it performs its updates. The last part, which is enabled by default, is the ATR multiplier, which performs its calculations based on a multiple of the ATR and adjusts the stop loss levels. By disabling this option, the stop loss levels will change. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section. It automatically moves the stop loss, and by optionally disabling this option, the stop loss level changes. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comment section.